Whether you're a professional electrician, an apprentice, or a DIY warrior tackling your own home projects, having the right tools makes all the difference. But building a solid kit doesn't have to drain your wallet. Today, I'm counting down 10 insanely useful electrician tools, and every single one is priced under 30 bucks. Let's jump in. Number 1. Jorest 152-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This little kit packs a huge range of bits, 140 small ones in all the common shapes like Phillips, Torx, Penelope, and Tri-Wing, plus a few longer bits for reaching deep-set screws. You even get backups for some of the bits you use the most, which is a nice touch. The handle feels solid in the hand, with a rotating cap and an extendable shaft that lets you adjust the length when you need a bit more reach. That flexible extension also helps you get into awkward angles without fighting the tool. You'll find a magnetizer and demagnetizer inside, a magnetic mat so small screws don't wander off, and a couple of pry tools in a suction cup for safe disassembly. Everything snaps into a clearly marked magnetic storage box so you can find the bit you need fast. While it's built for phones, tablets, laptops, and game consoles, electricians can reach for it too. Think smart thermostats, security panels, tiny control board screws, or any device with delicate fasteners. It's a reliable go-to when a full-size driver just doesn't fit. Number 2. Hystronica 8PC's Electrician's Toolkit. This 8-piece Hystronica kit gives you a solid set of basic electrical tools in a neat carrying case. Inside, you'll find a self-adjusting wire stripper that also cuts and crimps, needle nose pliers, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a voltage tester pen, a utility knife, electrical tape, and insulated butt connectors. It's a ready-to-go setup for small repairs, installing fixtures, or everyday DIY tasks. The automatic stripper adjusts to wire size instantly, saving time in avoiding nicked conductors. The tools have a corrosion-resistant finish that holds up to regular use, and the case keeps everything organized and easy to carry. Whether you're adding an outlet, fixing an appliance, or need a compact backup kit for light work, this set covers the essentials without overcomplicating things. Number 3. Wiha Magnetic Nut Setter Set. This 6-piece nut setter set from Wiha covers the sizes electricians reach for constantly, a 1/4 inch up to 9/16 of an inch. Each one is color-coded with a bright, high-visibility ring, so grabbing the right size from your bag takes a split second, even in dim light. The magnetic tip holds screws and nuts firmly, which means fewer dropped fasteners inside panels or tight enclosures. These are impact rated for up to 700 inch-pounds, so you can use them with your impact driver without worrying about durability. The tip is precision machined for an exact fit, helping to reduce cam out and keep hex heads from getting chewed up. Whether you're mounting bus bars, tightening lugs, or securing panel covers, this set takes a repetitive job and makes it faster and cleaner. It's a small upgrade that adds solid reliability to your everyday kit. Number 4. WorkPro Stainless Electrician Scissors. These WorkPro stainless steel electrician scissors pack a lot of function into a compact 6.4-inch tool. The blades are serrated, so they bite into wire insulation, zip ties, and cable without slipping. They can cut through wire up to 12 AWG and even handle soft cable up to 1/0 AWG. That's a serious amount of cutting power for a pair of scissors. Beyond cutting, the built-in stripping notch lets you remove insulation quickly, and they'll crimp small cable terminals too. The handles are cushioned with a non-slip grip, and they have a hole for hanging. They come with a protective sheath and a belt clip, so you can carry them safely and always have them on hand. If you're reaching for scissors repeatedly during a job, this pair covers multiple steps with one tool. Number 5. SCR Candy 16-in-1 Wire Stripper. This tool combines a lot of daily electrical tasks into one compact foldable unit. It strips, cuts, crimps, twists, and even cuts small screws. The stripping range covers 10 to 20 AWG solid and stranded wire, and the built-in voltage tester lights up when it senses live current from 12 to 250 volts, a quick safety check right in your hand. When you're done, it folds down small enough to slip into a pocket or tool pouch. The stainless steel blades are laser cut for clean, precise stripping that will not nick the conductor. The ergonomic, non-slip handle helps reduce hand fatigue during repetitive work. Whether you're wiring outlets, working on automotive projects, or doing general electrical repairs, this one tool replaces several individual ones and keeps your pouch lighter. Number 6. Mellow Tough Tool Belt Suspenders. If you wear a loaded tool belt all day, you know how punishing it can be on your lower back. These Mellow Tough suspenders take that weight and spread it across your shoulders and hips, instantly relieving pressure from your waist. The straps are wide and padded with breathable mesh foam so they do not dig in, even during long shifts. The three-point design keeps everything stable without constant readjusting. Built with thick nylon webbing, heavy stitching, and black-plated metal trigger hooks, they are made to last on active job sites. They adjust to fit most body sizes and attach easily to any tool belt using the included loops. Extra features like a detachable phone holder, high-visibility tape, pencil slots, and a tape measure clip keep your essentials right where you need them, helping you move lighter and work smarter. Number 7. Perfect Mart Insulating Gloves. These insulating gloves are built specifically for high-voltage electrical work. Made from natural dielectric rubber with a thickness of 1.8 millimeters, they provide solid protection against cuts and punctures while keeping you insulated from dangerous current. They are rated for up to 12,000 volts AC and 22,000 volts DC, meaning they serve as primary protection below 3,000 volts and as a strong secondary safeguard between 3,000 and 8,000 volts. The rolled cuff makes them quick to pull on and take off, and the soft rubber stays flexible enough that you can still handle tools and small components without too much struggle. At nearly 16 inches long, they cover well past the wrist for added security. Whether you are a line worker, an electrical contractor, or doing any job around energized equipment, these gloves offer a dependable barrier between you and a serious hazard. Number 8. Klein Tools Combination Square Ruler. This combination square from Klein is one of those tools you end up using constantly without even thinking about it. The 12-inch stainless steel ruler has deeply etched markings in both 1/8-inch and 1/16-inch increments, so they won't rub off over time. The body is aluminum with precision machined edges at 45 and 90 degrees, perfect for quickly marking conduit or setting angles on a saw. Strong rare earth magnets hold the ruler in place while you adjust it, and there's even an integrated conduit layout template that helps you find center knockouts on EMT. A built-in bubble level with a high-visibility green vial lets you check plumb and level fast, and the included stainless steel scriber slides right into the body, so you always have a marking tool handy. It's a practical layout tool that electricians and carpenters can both appreciate. Number 9. Hurricane 15-piece Insulated Screwdriver Set. This 15-piece Hurricane set gives you a full range of insulated screwdrivers rated for up to 1,000 volts with VDE and GS certification for real peace of mind. The color-coded handles make grabbing the right driver quick: blue for slotted, yellow for Phillips, black for Posi-Driv, and green for Torx. The blades are made from S2 steel, which is harder and more durable than standard chrome vanadium, and the tips are magnetized to hold screws in place when you're working in tight spots. You get all the common sizes, plus 2 combo bits that fit modern circuit breakers. The handle is comfortable and non-slip, helping reduce hand fatigue during long jobs. Everything packs neatly into a sturdy storage case, and a voltage tester is included too. Just remember to always de-energize circuits before you start working. Number 10. K-Turk 12-piece portable bit holder keychain. This
clever little keychain from K-Turk solves a frustration every electrician knows, needing a driver bit when your main kit is out of reach. The set gives you 12 lightweight aluminum bit holders, each designed to accept any standard quarter-inch hex shank bit. The built-in ball-bearing lock holds the bit securely, and a simple pull on the ring releases it fast. You can load them up with your most used Phillips, Torx, or slotted bits and clip the whole set to your belt loop, bag, or keyring with the black carabiner. Each holder weighs next to nothing, so it adds no real bulk. It keeps your go-to bits organized, easy to find, and always right there. Perfect for quick panel adjustments, cover plate screws, or small repairs without digging through a full toolbox. It saves time and keeps you moving.